To start, grab your glass out of your picture frame and trace it on a piece of cardboard. Once you've traced it, cut it out using an X-Acto knife or scissors. Then wrap it in alcohol. I wrapped it like a present. Once you've done that, pick some floral. They can be dried or not. My flowers were dried to preserve the color better, and arrange them around. I won't glue them just yet because you do change them every so often. Once you've done that, you just put the pictures and arrange those around too, and then you put them in the frame. And I really do like this DIY. It's so cute, honestly. And a big tip would be don't glue anything down until you're 100% sure about it, and use smaller pictures instead of a bunch of big ones. That's all I've got. Merry Christmas!